Alright guys, you are welcome to this demonstration. This is FlatERP. I'm Sam. I want to demonstrate the online school management solution we call Classic School Portal. The Classic School Portal is purposely designed for secondary school. So these are the modules we have inside this awesome software. Admission portal for new intake of students, student portal to manage assignments and to check their results, maybe terminal results, and teachers portal to manage students, result portal for parents and students to check their results, CBT center to handle online examination, and admin portal to manage the whole administrations of the system, including the teacher, students, parents, exams, and CBT, and including the admission portal. So without wasting much of our time, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, make sure you like the video, you share with your friends. And if you are interested in the source code, you want to get the source code, you can contact us on our website. You can also drop your comments in the comment sections of this video to let us hear your opinion about this video and what you see about this software. So without wasting much of our time, I will be quick with everything. If you want to have the full details of how this system works, or you want to have the glitch of how it works, you can contact us on the number I will display after the video. So I'll be quick. I will go to the admission portal where students can apply online. So if a new student want to apply, after getting the source card from the school, they can come to this portal and click on apply now. So on clicking on apply now, the system will take them to this page. So on this page, they have 4 steps to fill. So some of the forms some of the fields are required, while some are not required. So any field that has this sorry guys, any field that has this asterisk are required. So if you want to go to the next page, if you want to go to the next page, you can either click step 2 or you click on continue. So let us zoom. Let's pretend we have filled the first page. You want to navigate to the second phase of the form. Click here. So once you are done with that, and some of these fields here are not required, it's only the present class, the reason for change, the genotype, and the blood group are required. So if you don't want to fill all the information here, you can fill the one that are required and click on next to move on to all these input here are required. So you cannot but fill everything there. So once you are done with this parent and guardian information, then you need to click on number 4 or you click on continue. If I click on number 4, take me to this number 4, which will allow me to upload my passport, and the size is already stated here. Once you upload your passport with the size that is allowed, then you need to enter the source card's pin you got from the school and the serial on the source card. Finally, you check on agree terms and conditions to submit your application. Upon successful application, this is what computer will generate for you. So you will see this information, you see the name of the school, you see the slogan, you see the address, the email, and the phone number of the school. Then you see the information about the applicant. This is about data. So there's any application information will be displayed here. There's parent and guardian information. If other forms are displayed here, you will see it like the previous school, the hospitals, and so on and so forth. But because when I was filling the form, I did not enter such information. So now that we have this, we printed it for proof of registration. How we admin know that somebody just registered on the portal? Admin want to log into the portal, we click here. On clicking to this page, it will land admin into this awesome login page. Let me make it bold so that we can all see clearly. So admin will log in using his own credential. So here I'm only using the demo account, so I want to log in as the demo user so as for you to see what we have in the system. These are the things admin can see at a glance. Admin will see the new student that just submitted his or her form application on this portal. So admin can click go to student admission portal to view the information, if it is one or if it is two, or if there are more than 20 students that just submitted their application. Admin will see them one after the other, and you will see the date they submitted their application. Admin can click this button to view the details of the student that just submitted, and admin can print it for documentation. Once it's done that, and admin, from the number we have here on the slip, from the phone number here, or from the email, admin can contact the student for interview, or he can send them bulk SMS. So once they have passed their interview, admin can click this button to approve the student's admission. So with that said, now let's move back. We have a lot of features here. I won't be able to explain one after the other, but the moment you log in successfully as the admin for the first time of this application, you need to go to the settings, click on settings. Any information you see there, make sure you fill it accordingly, and fill your mission and vision statement. You write your director message for viewers, then write about us. All the information you set here will be visible on your main website. So at the same vein, we have the academics. Under the academics, manage your section, enter the subjects you want to be offering, then create all the classes, register all the subjects, and view you can also view the one you have registered. You can tell the computer to separate the departmental subjects, so that whenever you want to upload for art, commercial, and science, computer will not miss their subjects. The same vein, so you can manage all the students from here. So far they are now in your school. Manually, as the admin, you can add new students. You can view the details of each student. Here we see that the total numbers of students in our school is 5. We have 4 male and 1 female. So from there we can view all the available classes. We can view them and view their students. For now, we don't have any students in this class. We can go to GSS2 to see if there's any student. I think we have 3 students in this class, so we can see their passport, we can see their registration number, we can see their full name, their father's name, and their other 2 names. So from here we can see their email, we can see their phone number, we can also see any information about them. We can see the class they are. We can also generate their ID card. So this is the ID card we want to generate for them. Let me go back. Let me delete this one. So we can generate for this person as well. You see now, we can also, let's move back. We can also generate for this guy as well. So we can print their result in case there's any result that is available. We can print for the first time result. I think there is first time result. So that is how it works. We can promote our students using this awesome system. We are promoting the student from GSS2, all of them in GSS2. We want to promote, maybe it's only 2 that is promoted. Then we are promoting them to GSS3. Which arms, if you don't have arms, leave it like that. Then make sure you promote the students as the admin. So with that said, now I won't be able to be explaining everything. I'll just walk you through all the modules we have. We have the attendant. We can mark attendant. You can also view attendant. We have timetable. This is where you set the activity schedule for each class. So you can add new timetable, select the numbers of the days of the week, from time to time, select the class, select the subject, select the teacher, and select the period. So this also dictates a timetable clash. If there's any clash in the details you are trying to upload, the computer will notify you that there is a clash in this timetable you are about to upload. So with that said, now we can also move on to how to manage our staff. You can add your new staff. You can view all the staff at once. You can see all their information. You can as well disable any staff. You can remove staff account. You can send them message. You can view their information. Any staff you disable will not be able to access the portal. So you can assign class and assign role for staff, give them role, which bursar, class teacher, HM, principal, receptionist, registrar, security teacher, and vice principal. Then make sure you enter your authentication code to actualize, to make sure that you are the owner of the portal, because it's only the owner of the portal that have this access code. So under the staff, I won't be able to explain much, but you can assign teacher to class, you can assign a subject to a particular teacher. Maybe you want to select English, you want to select government, so you want to give it to whatever teacher you see on the list, so you can assign that particular subject to that teacher. So that is how it also works. So under the result, you can see our result grading system. Let's go to senior grading system. This is how our grading system works. If a student score from 80 to 100, so the grade should be A1 and the remark should be distinction. In case this is not the way your grade looks like in your school, we made it available for you to update it, to change it from here to whatever, but you don't have the privilege to change this one. You can change this one to any number you prefer, and you can make sure you change the remark as well, and make sure you authenticate it to be sure you are the owner. So once that is there, you don't have any issue. Your teacher can just upload the result. The student will view their result on their page. So we are still under the result. You can upload result per subject in case a student misses a particular subject and maybe he was not in the school when they were conducting the examination, and he later come back. You want to upload, select the class, you see the numbers of students in that particular class, you select the particular students you want to target, and you select the subject you want to upload for that student, maybe fixes, so you select it, you show the sheet score. So under the continuous assessment, you score whatever, I don't know, everything is here is over 40, while this one is over 60. So computer will do the rest. And you can also upload for per student. We have per subject and we also have per student. Per student means if a student misses all the papers, so you can as well come back in and select you don't have arms, and select is that first time or second time. Then we have uploaded for the students in first time, so you need to upload for anytime you see a yellow and pen like this, it's telling you to edit the first time result you have uploaded. This is it, we have uploaded this one in first time. So let's refresh to resend the query. Yes, so we can now click in to upload this one because it misses all the subject that is doing. So I believe I explained that. I won't take much longer any longer because we have a lot of things to cover and I want to do it very, very fast. Under the result, we can view the one we upload. We can upload per bulk. We can view the one we uploaded. We can upload affective domain, psychomotive domain, teacher's comment, principal's comment. We can view all the comments. We can print report card. We can also print a bulk report card. This is how we print report card. We enter the student registration number. We select the class we want to check. We select the section and we select the term. Be the admin, we don't need to use scratch card. So after that, we can also print them in bulk. Maybe you want to print all the classes. You want to print a result of students in JSS2. So it's optional. Then you select the section, you select the term, and then you enter the identification code for you to know that you are the admin. So once we are done with the result, we can move on to activities. You can add page loader, page slider. We have 3 different page loader slider. We have for the admission page, we have for result page, we have for home page, we have what people see, we have school event, flag, gallery, holiday, newsletter, notice board, help desk, appointment. All these modules are working perfectly. It's because of our time. I don't want to be displaying everything. So if you need the full demo, you want us to have a live demo with you, so you can let us know in the comment section. And if you really want to get the source code of this software, just message us via the number I will give after the whole video. So under the activities, we have seen a lot of things that we can achieve there. We can add gallery to our system. You see, I can add more to the system, and at the same time we can move on to admission portal. That's the first thing I'll move on to. Then we move on to the shop. We have the school manage school materials. Under this page, you can add item to your store. Maybe you have a shop in the school, you are selling materials, teach school uniform, textbooks, biro, pen, and some other academic material. So you want to be tracking it based on you don't want anything to go without record. So you can go to the store here and add as many items as you prefer. Just make sure you select the categories of the item you are adding and the unit cost and the unit pricing, which means this unit selling price of that particular item, and you enter the quantity and are good to go. You can go to shop to continue selling, select the class you want to sell to, select the student, then select the item you want to buy, add them to queue. Maybe you want to buy 4 quantity of this textbook, then continue the process as per your needs. I'm not adding anything, I just want to show you how the system works under the shop. Under this shop, you can view the list of defaulters, or we call them creditors. You can see a lot of information there. So we move on to the finance aspect of this system. We have the allocate fee. This is where you allocate the amount you want them to be paying in a particular class. So maybe tuition fee, so you can add as many rows as you like. Then this month, the amount you have specified here, is it going to match for so class? So any class you select here, they will be paying any amount. The accumulations of any amount you enter here, that will be their fee. So that is how the system works, in case you don't know how it actually works under finance. So we move to view fields. We can view all the classes and see what they are paying in their class. Here now they are only paying tuition fee, which is 30,000. So you can as well try to change it, to update it as at one day. So you can as well use this field, this module, to accept payment from student. Just select the class of the student, maybe just to then fetch them out. You can pay by card, you can also pay via online. If I want to pay via online, I can click here. I'm paying 30,000 naira. Maybe out of the 30,000 naira, I want to pay 10,000 naira. Pay with this card like this, pay with my payment gateway, so I can follow the details and assume I have paid it. So let's assume I've paid the money. Now I've paid 10,000 out of it. 10,000 has been paid successfully, and this is my receipt. The receipt is here. I can print it out. You see the money I have paid so far. So I have paid this and that. I'm owing no money. So with that said, you can go back to the finance aspects. I can view all the expenses. I can add new expenses to the system, and at the same time I can view all the assets, add payroll to the staff, view staff salary, list of IOU, then discount list, discount amount. I can also view the discounts, can assign discount to students in JSS2, can want to assign discount to this fellow. So it's not on discount, but I don't want to assign it. I'm only showing you we only assign discount to one person, and the amount of discount we allot is total of 5,000. So we have a lot of things to discuss there. We can view outstanding bill. You can see the one the student pay by cash. You can see the one they pay via the online payment gateway, and so on and so forth. So under this school management, we have the hostel. You can manage hostel. You can also manage rooms. This is how you manage it. We don't have hostel, we don't have beds, and we don't have available space. So if you want to have hostel, you click here to create hostel. Upon creating hostel, you will have access to create the rooms inside the hostel you have created. You can also track the school transport, manage driver, manage bus, manage route, and assign student to a particular bus. I don't want to be showing you all this information. We have scratch card modules. So we have guest report. You can track the guest that is coming to your organization, like the name of the guest, the phone number, the address, whom to see, the purpose of the visit at the time the guest comes into your organization. So you can also use it to manage all the administrator in your system. You can create multiple admins. You can create as many admins as you like. You can generate secure password for them, and at the same time you can view all of them from here. For now, we don't have any more admin. We only have super admin for now. So we are under control panel. This is our control panel for the system. You can disable teachers from uploading their students' result. You can disable students from checking the result. You can activate maintenance mode so that no teacher, staff, or parent will be able to view your website. You can disable staff from logging in. You can disable staff from applying on your website. You can also disable students from logging in. At the same time, you can disable students from applying on the home page portal. So the last thing here is you as the admin, you can change your own password. From here, you can generate the secure password like I've shown to you earlier. So you can manually enter your own password. So that is what I want to show to you. There are a lot of features I didn't talk about, but nevertheless, if you are in need of the source code of this software, let us know in the comment section, or you call the number I will display after this video. So thank you guys. Please make sure you like this video, and I really want to know your opinion concerning this video. Thank you guys. I'll see you some other time.